birds nor bats. Pterosaurs were reptiles, close cousins of dinosaurs, who evolved on a separate branch of the reptile family tree. They were also the first animals after insects to evolve powered flight. Not just leaping or gliding, but flapping their wings to generate lift and travel through the air. They evolved into dozens of species. Some were as large as an F-16 fighter jet, and others as small as a paper airplane. Pterosaurs were carnivores, though some may have occasionally ate fruits. Hone said, what the reptiles ate depended on where they lived. Some species spent their lives around water, while others were more terrestrial. Terrestrial pterosaurs ate carcasses, baby dinosaurs, lizards, eggs, insects and various other animals. Quote, they were probably fairly active hunters of small prey, Hone said. Water-loving pterosaurs ate a variety of marine life, including fish, squid, crab and other shellfish. In 2014, Hone sought to learn more about the lives of marine pterosaurs. With these animals, juveniles dominate the fossil record, Hone said. This is odd because young animals are generally those that are targeted by predators, preventing them from becoming part of the fossil record. One hypothesis to explain this strange occurrence is that the juvenile pterosaurs often died by drowning instead of being eaten. To test this, Hone and his colleague Donald Henderson modeled how well could pterosaurs float on water, like ducks. They found that pterosaurs floated well, but they had poor floating postures, in which their heads rested very close to the water, if not on the water. This suggests that aquatic pterosaurs wouldn't spend much time on the water's surface and would launch into the air shortly after diving for food to avoid drowning. However, young pterosaurs that don't yet have strong muscles or are still learning to fly would have more difficulties launching back into the air from a dive, possibly resulting in drowning, Hone said. Pterosaurs first appeared in the late Triassic period and roamed the skies until the end of the Cretaceous period 228 to 66 million years ago, according to an article published in 2008 in the German scientific journal Zitiliana. Pterosaurs lived among the dinosaurs and became extinct around the same time, but they were not dinosaurs. Rather, pterosaurs were flying reptiles. Modern birds didn't descend from pterosaurs. Birds' ancestors were small, feathered, terrestrial dinosaurs. The first pterosaur discovered was Pterodactylus, identified in 1784 by Italian scientist Cosimo Collini, who thought he had discovered a marine creature that used its wings as paddles. Pterosaurs